Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing bubble braids or puddle puffs. So to start off, I already pre-parted my hair. I did like medium size pattern for this hairstyle, and yeah, so we'll just go straight into making the hair. For this hair, we are using this Cuban twist hair extension that I got from Amazon. It comes with a free crochet hook and it contains 8 packs in one. So I started off with the first pack, and I got like 3 pieces of this hair from the first pack. And I did the first hair and I realized that using 3 pieces is quite a lot, so I went ahead to use just 2 pieces for the rest of the hair. So feel free to use just 2 pieces of this hair to form your bubble braids. So for this first one, you need your crochet hook to pass the Cuban twist hair extension through your own hair, and then you start to wrap the roots. So you're wrapping the roots to secure the hair in place. And for this hairstyle, you need a lot of rubber bands. You need to get the thick rubber bands. The rubber band I got from Temu was very thin, and I had to like join 6 or 7 of the rubber bands to get the kind of thickness that I wanted, because the rubber band kept cutting. So for this hairstyle, you will need a rubber band that is very thick. And after you secure the roots of your hair, you will just be leaving spaces and use the rubber band to like secure it and form the bubbles that you need for your hair. This is what you will have to do till you get to the end of the hair, or you get to the length that you want. And yeah, that's basically the style. So I went ahead to do the back and do like majority of the hair that was left, and then I have like 4 pieces left in front. But let's do this last one together. It's very simple. Pass the hair through your own hair, and then you wrap the roots. You're wrapping like 2 to 3 times, and then after wrapping, you will get your rubber band and secure the roots that you just wrapped. After you secure it, you start to leave spaces and then use your rubber band to hold it to form the bubbles. And at the same time, don't forget to tuck in your own natural hair, because you don't want it to be seen outside. So try to tuck in your own natural hair as you are using the rubber band to form your bubbles, your hair bubbles. So when you are done with the hair, it is now your choice what to do with the ends. You can either cut it and maybe add some accessories to make this pop, but for me, I chose to put beads to the ends, which I did off cam. But I'll advise you to get beads that has bigger holes to be able to pass the hair through with ease. It took me some time to actually do that. But yeah, we finished with the hair, and this is what we look like in low light. The hair was really giving, and I got a lot of compliments, so I came to share so you guys can try. Yeah, if you love this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see in another tutorial. Bye.